friends, today gagawa po tayo ng Kinoko gohan. So we will need different kinds of mushrooms. Okay, so today we're just going to make for 4 to 5 people. Okay, and then after that we're going to make tofu miso soup. Okay, so we will need tofu and naganegi or spring onion. By the way, mushroom in Japanese is Kinoko. Kinoko. This is shimeji, eringi, and this one is maitake. Okay? Dun, 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 dun. And then for Kinoko gohan, we will need aburage. Aburage is fried tofu. Okay, fried tofu. Okay. And then for the main dish, we are going to make Enoki, butamaki. Okay, so we are going to make Enoki, butamaki. So literally means we're going to wrap enoki with sliced pork. Okay, so tara na, simulan na natin. Samahan niyo ako today, kasi marami po tayong gagawin. So, first, hihiwain natin ang aburage or fried tofu. Just like this. Butchang gomen ne? Butchang no na yu. We should wash the fried tofu in warm water first, okay, before cutting. And then we're going to cut the mushroom like this. Oops. And then we need the maitake. We don't need the knife for the maitake. We're just going to do like this. Okay? Like that. Okay. And then we need the shimeji. Later po, I will find how you say shimeji in English, okay? Like that. We're just going to do like this. To be honest po, I never had shimeji in the Philippines, so it's my first time when I came to Japan. It's my first time to eat shimeji, so I don't know this in English, okay? But we're going to find out later. Okay, so for Kinoko gohan, we're going to simply first put the dashi, 1 sachet. We need 1 sachet for this. Okay, and then we're going to use mirin. 1 tablespoon of mirin. Okay, nice. And then we need sake. For sake, we need also 1 tablespoon of sake. Okay. And then we're going to use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 大丈夫かな。はい、美味しくなれ。Wow. Okay, and then with here we're simply going to put everything here. Okay, like this, nice. Okay. Okay. I'm going to leave this for miso soup. Okay. And you're just going to simply cook it in your rice cooker as you usually cook, okay? And for miso soup, we're going to boil some water first, okay? So let's boil some water. And while we are waiting for the water to boil, we're going to make the okay. So enoki butamaki, okay? So we have to take this out. And then we're just going to separate them. Wait a minute. Okay, like this. This one is as you wish, okay? Depends on how big you want it, but I think this is okay. And then for this one, we are going to simply use some salt and pepper. So it's like this, okay? I'll just make one or two and then we're going to wait for the miso soup. So, okay. You just simply need a few slices of pork like this. And then you just sprinkle it with salt and pepper. And then take some bunch of this enoki. And then you're just going to wrap it like this, okay? And then we are going to fry this like this. Okay, one more. We need a few slices of pork, salt and pepper, like this. Okay, this is good for obento, or you know, if you want to make lunchbox. Now the water is boiling, and then today we're going to use dashi. We're going to make dashi, okay, out of bonito flakes. Like just one grab, just like one grab of bonito flakes, and we're going to wait for 3 minutes. So, after 3 minutes, we're going to take out the bonito flakes like this. And then we're going to put everything in the soup, okay? In the broth. Okay, so I said a while ago, I said we're going to make tofu. We're going to make tofu miso soup, but there are many left over from the mushroom, so we're going to use this to make miso soup. So we're going to make mushroom tofu miso soup. It's nice. And we're going to wait for it to boil, and again, because it's kinoko, so we're going to boil it for 3 minutes, okay? And then just for the taste, we will need just half of dashi. Just half, just a little bit, okay? for the main dish, we will need maybe 1 tablespoon to 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Just okay, I think that's okay. And we're just going to put everything here. We are just going to fry a little bit, and then we're going to flip it later. Okay? Oh my gosh! Wow! Maligayang. Then we are going to put the miso. Nice. Oh. Okay, this is good. Perfect. Ew. Very nice. Wow, this looks delicious. Friends, I hope you'll enjoy this meal with your friends and family. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for new videos. May 2025 be filled with happiness and prosperity. Maligayang bagong taon sa inyong lahat.